Shanghai GY Environmental Technology Co., Ltd. is a modern environmental technology enterprise specializing in water treatment, water quality monitoring and dosing system. Water pump products include booster water pump, vertical multi-stage pump, centrifugal pump, sewage pump and so on. Our production personnel are trained and experienced and use automated production machinery so that all pump components are consistent, and we continue to control quality at all stages of the manufacturing process. Most of our production is done in-house, which allows us to control the quality from the manufacture of individual parts to the final product. We have well-trained and dedicated staff to provide timely and appropriate responses to our customers. Our people work hard and work with us as easily as possible to provide our customers with the support they need to focus on growing more businesses. We are committed to the sales and maintenance of automatic dosing system and supporting products in the environmental protection, water treatment industry, providing complete solutions and process design of sewage treatment dosing system, providing complete sets of equipment, and customizing non-standard dosing system.